Hey guys, we are given a question here. Let's switch to English. So a student takes 4 test tubes marked P, Q, R and S of 25 ml capacity and fill 10 ml of distilled water in each. So he dissolves one spoonful of 4 different salts in each as KCl in P, NaCl in Q, CaCl2 in R, MgCl2 in S. He then adds about 2 ml of a sample of soap solution to each of the above test tubes. So we need to find out on the shaking of contents of each of the test tubes. He is likely to observe a good amount of lather form. So we need to find out which are the test tubes which will produce the desired result. So scum is formed by reaction of soap with calcium and magnesium salts in water. Now test tube R and S contains calcium chloride and magnesium chloride respectively. Thus scum will formed in these two test tubes. That is, the correct answer is R and S. Test tube P and Q contains potassium chloride and sodium chloride respectively. Thus a good amount of lather will be formed in them as well. So you can see that scum will be formed in the option B, that is R and S test tubes, and we will observe lather that is formed in the P and Q. So the correct answer for this question is option A, P and Q, the test tube containing KCl and containing NaCl.